this stuff. And we have, of course, the most important feature of the sonic blade, the knives. So we have 2 knives right there. And the adapter for the charging station of the sonic blade. Okay, so this kind of sucks. It says must charge for 10 hours before using the first time. The blade's been charging for about 5 hours. It says 10 hours, but I'm thinking that 5 hours will be good enough just for this demonstration. I'm going to make a sandwich right here, and I have my chicken, rotisserie chicken right there, and let's get to the cutting. To begin, all you have to do is take your charged battery and load it up into the sonic blade like so, just like that. And then it actually has a little safety lock right here. I'll just demonstrate what, and then you have a trigger right here, and that activates the knife. Put the knife in. All you have to do is it just clicks in like this. So here's the knife right here, and it just goes click, and simple as that. So here's my hand. This is how big the knife is right there, and you activate the safety switch right here, pull back the trigger, and the knife moves like that. You see that? First, I'm going to make the sandwich, so let's get started on the cutting up the vegetables. I'm going to cut some lettuce. There we go. Like that. And actually, you want to watch out for the cutting board, but it does a great job cutting the lettuce. Now I'm going to cut the cucumber right here. Does a great job. You actually have to watch out, like, because your cutting board will get just totally messed up from this. Okay, so let's do the onions and the red peppers here. Okay. And let's put that in a sandwich. So here's the finished product right here, the sandwich. I don't want to cut it on the plate, so I'm going to cut it on the cutting board. And here we go. You just cut through that. Put some tough bread, like that. It kind of cuts through. And that's not doing as well as cutting through the vegetables, but the bread is really tough, so. And I'm not using the bread knife adapter. So I'm going to switch the blade and see if that one works a little bit better. So I'm going to put the bread knife adapter or knife on here, and it's for the bread. And let's try that one and see if it works a little bit better. And it's not on quite right. Why is it not working? Okay, now it's locked. Here we go. And that worked a lot better. So it cut up the vegetables great. It cut the sandwich decently once you got on the bread knife. And I'm going to see how it cuts up. I put the cutting blade on for the chicken. And I'm going to see how it cuts up this rotisserie chicken. And I'm going to carve it like you would a turkey. So here we go. Make sure it's on. And here we go. It cuts through it like butter almost. This works really, really well. I mean, this is what it's designed to do. So we hit a bone. So imagine if that was a turkey. It's Thanksgiving Eve, so it's about that time. It just cuts through it really easily. There's a little bit of shaking back and forth on the knife, but other than that, it's doing a great job. Between the vegetables and the chicken, I'm surprised to say this when I bought it online, but this is a quality product. It comes with a charger, it comes with everything you need. It comes with 4 knives, 2 cutting blades, and then 2 bread knife adapters, and does a great job. It's really heavy duty, really well constructed, quality made. So it cuts everything perfectly, does what it says. The only thing is watch out for whatever surface you're cutting on, because it will cut it up in an instant. You know, it will nick plates or really get into the wood. And also, I would recommend a plastic cutting board for any cutting you do with the sonic blade. But it's a great product, and I highly recommend it, especially on this Thanksgiving Eve. And thank you for watching my video, and happy Thanksgiving. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you.